welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Today my father bought a gift because we have reached 1000 subscribers and me and Nishvika don't know. Let's ask her if she knows. Nishi, నీకు తెలుసా ఏంటదో? She also don't know. This is the gift. It is Cool Blue. Actually, I think Cool Blue is about electronics like tabs, phones and laptop. I think it may be something of this. So we also already have scissors in my side to open the wrapping. So let's open. I hope it is a laptop. It's a laptop, guys. It is a laptop. You can see here. It shows it is a laptop. So let's open it. Wow. It is HP. ఏంటి laptop. Huh? Laptop కాదు, laptop. Laptop. Okay, this is the laptop. 1 second. Let me flash. And there is some plug also. This is the plug point. So this is the laptop. It is an HP. So let's open it inside. Thank you, Daddy, for giving this gift. Nishi, నీకు నచ్చిందా? రేపు మనం ఆడుకుందాం దీంతో. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel once again. Bye.